Hey, what's up guys? Today, I'm going to show you how to clean up your C drive on Windows 10. It's a simple but effective method, and we're going to keep it quick and easy. No need to download any third-party software. This process is all built in. Cleaning up unnecessary files from your C drive will make your Windows run faster. So let's jump right in. Step 1. Clear temporary files. First, right-click on the Start button and select Run. Type temp and hit OK. If it asks for permission, click Continue. In the folder that opens, select all the files and press Shift plus Delete to permanently remove them. Some files might not delete. Just skip those and delete the rest. Next, open the Run box again and type %temp sent, then hit OK. A similar folder will appear. Delete all the files inside, just like before. Lastly, open the Run box one final time and type prefetch, then hit OK. Again, click Continue if asked, then delete all the files in this folder as well. And that's it for the temporary files. Step 2. Uninstall unnecessary programs. Now let's uninstall any unused or unnecessary programs. By default, most programs install on your C drive, so getting rid of them will free up space. To do this, go to the Start menu and search for Uninstall. Click on Add or Remove Programs from the search results. Once the Apps and Features window opens, scroll through the list and uninstall any programs you rarely use by clicking on them and choosing Uninstall. Follow the on-screen instructions and you'll reclaim a good amount of space. Step 3. Clean the recycle bin. This might be obvious to some, but not everyone realizes it. When you delete files using Delete or right-click Delete, they aren't actually removed from your computer. They're sent to the recycle bin and can take up space until you empty it. Windows 10 can store up to 50 GB of deleted files in the recycle bin. Make sure to regularly empty your recycle bin. This will free up even more space and speed up your system. Step 4. Optimize the drive. Next, open File Explorer or This PC. Right-click on your C drive and select Properties. Under the Tools tab, click Optimize under the Optimize and Defragment Drive section. In the window that appears, select your C drive and click Optimize. This will help ensure your drive runs smoothly and efficiently. Step 5. Disk Cleanup. Finally, let's perform a disk cleanup. Open the Start menu and search for Disk Cleanup. When it appears in the search results, click on it. The tool will scan your C drive and open a window displaying files that can be deleted. Check all the options available and then click Clean up System Files for a deeper scan. Once that's done, select all the files you want to delete. You can check every option, click OK, and then confirm by clicking Delete Files. The cleanup process may take a little while, so just let it finish. And that's it. By following these steps, you should notice a performance boost, more free space, and faster system responsiveness. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you.